Hello guys, my name is Domago and welcome to another video on the Affiliate Lifestyle YouTube channel. So today I basically woke up, started my morning routine, drinking coffee and started to do my daily action plan. And I heard some knocking on the doors, and when I opened the doors, the mailman was there. And what I got finally one funnel away challenge customized kit for me. So I finished the one funnel away challenge, let's say 2 months ago, and due to the coronavirus lockdown, I just got a package. But it doesn't matter, we will now unbox it and see what's the inside. So let's go, guys. So, like 2 months passed, I sold some one funnel away challenges. It really helped me a lot. By the way, guys, if you are, let's say, thinking about one funnel away challenge, you should do it. Link is below down description. Grab my bonuses and start today. So let's see what's inside the box. Ooh. It's a bit hard to open. They really put the work to pack this. Oh. Woo. This is how it looks like, guys. Your training officially begins now. That's crazy. Letter from Russell Brunson. Amazing. So, first thing we are having here is a book. So nicely packed. Ooh, I received $100 from Russell Brunson. Great. Go down below in the link, grab my bonuses and grab your $100. So basically what we are having here, yeah, Russell is talking about this in one fall away, is 30 days book. It's a great book. How to let's say, book headline is you suddenly lose everything and what you should do then. Russell is talking about that, how that funnel saved his Christmas in one funnel away challenge. When they launched one funnel and it saved his Christmas, his business. And of course I will be reading this book. Also, guys, if you didn't know, when they launched this book they were selling it for $100, and I now got it for like $30 plus on my one funnel away challenge, and that was already worth it. Can't wait to read it. So what's the next? Oh, one funnel away challenge MP3 player. Yes, it looks great. I didn't see this long time ago. Basically, a lot of training is on the videos, or you can maybe download some podcasts if you are going on the gym or you are going on the walk and you just can listen it with this MP3 player and use your phone for something else. Great, really great stuff. Oh, we already have here a lot of this. Russell, will you clean my house after this? So basically what are we having here is One Funnel Away Challenge workbook, so you can customize your own plan and execute it. I wish I had it when I started, but for sure I will start a few more One Funnel Away challenges just to challenge myself and see how will I do with that. Also, I think with this book will change someone's life, because I mean my version, I will definitely put a work into it, and when I feel it, I will just give it away and I will be happy. And my goal is to someone, like Russell said, this workbook changed my Christmas, saved my Christmas, and this is what will I do. So is there anything else? There is nothing else, just a ton of this red trash. Thank you, Russell, for that. Just kidding. So what I got the workbook, I got an MP3 player, and I got a 30 days challenge book. And guys, One Funnel Away challenge is totally worth, or like let's say $100. It's worth a lot. I already, like I said, if you're an affiliate for ClickFunnels, Russell is giving 100% commission for every One Funnel Away challenge you sold, and I sold like, let's say five or six of them, so basically that's 5 or 6 months of free to use ClickFunnels, and that's crazy. So guys, if you're thinking about One Funnel Away challenge, you should get it. It's a great challenge. And guys, link is down below in the description. Grab my bonuses and start earning today. See you guys in